What up, y'all? Blockchain Bird, EarlyBirdCrypto. Check the timestamp. It is 2024. Now check this out. I want to show you guys something on Uphold. So I just unlocked level 1, 2, and 3. Level 3 gives you VIP access to new listings. Your 24-hour early access is now available. Level 2 gives you special token reports. Our research team will help you identify the most promising blockchain tokens and projects. And Level 1, up to 5.25% on stablecoins. Enjoy a boost on your USBC, USDC, and PYUSD through the end of the month. Level 2 is the one I want to show you today, is the access to the library. By having access to the library here, it lets you download a PDF with the full details and the full report. So you can see here a special token report. Take a deep breath. Bitcoin wobbles as willows bloom. The power avalanche and so many other topics. So here's the entire report. Lots of information here, exclusively for level 3 members. So what I'm going to do here is try to upload Reward Center report and tell them to summarize the text. Let ChatGPT do the entire report for me and make it quick, because I don't feel like reading. I'm super tired right now, but I'm going to give it to you guys straight.
Special Token Report, dated December 15th, 2024. Main topics covered. 1. Bitcoin's milestone and market volatility. Bitcoin hit 100K, but fluctuated due to profit-taking and concerns over quantum computing developments. Positive outlook supported by geopolitical, financial, and adoption factors. 2. Avalanche's quantum-resistant edge. Emphasis on Avalanche's post-quantum security measures and growing adoption in the AI space. 3. Stablecoin growth. USDC adoption bolstered by a Binance partnership. The stablecoin market exceeds $200 billion. 4. Token and blockchain check-ins. Updates on Cosmos, XRP, launch of RLUSD stablecoin, Mara's Bitcoin mining milestone, Hyperliquid's hype token airdrop, and 1inch's innovations. 5. International developments. Argentina embraces Bitcoin-friendly policies. Czechia eases banking restrictions for crypto companies. 6. Fundraising and investments. Multiple funding rounds, including Binance Labs, OKX Ventures, and emerging Web3 platforms. Token Spotlight Talent. Project overview. Talent Protocol aims to decentralize professional reputation by creating verifiable on-chain profiles. Key features. Talent Passport. Self-updating, AI-powered profiles aggregating achievements. Builder Score. Quantifies professional reputation. Talent Token. Supports data verification, increases visibility, and powers platform features. Disclaimer: the report emphasizes conducting individual research due to the high volatility and risks associated with digital asset investments.
So that was a brief summary of what they were talking about, and now let's see what's new. Let's see if Talent Coin is listed here. These important tokens were first supported by Uphold. So there's Talent Protocol right there. I'm going to get me some right now while it's cheap. It just came out. I think it's a good time to get some. So that would be 60. Almost $65 for 1,000 units. 25% off right now. Just came out, just got listed. Uphold is hyping it. I think this is a good buying opportunity. Remember, check the timestamp. It's 2024. There's my email confirmation.